Mile per hour was way higher than normal.
Yeah.
But I broke out by 6 thousandths.
Yeah. And you had to race.
Yeah. Well, what pissed me off is I got up there, and the guy, we end up lining up to it. I didn't know he was up there, so I wanted the left lane so you get a better video. So I pull up to the left lane, and I like Budweiser, and pull up there, and it's him. I was like, oh shit. Talk to the Nova behind me, and I was like, hey man, this is my buddy, my trailer guy. I help work on his car. I don't feel right racing him. Do you mind swapping me? He goes, oh, that's no problem. I said, I'll pull over to the left and let you circle around. I pull over to the left and sit there, wait. I'm looking back, and he's not doing shit, not doing shit, not doing shit. Probably a minute and a half, 2 minutes. They go over there and they point at me and tell me. So I had no, he fucking did that to me. 961, he was right on his dial.
Yeah.
I still beat him there, though. Doesn't matter.
You beat him, but you broke out.
That doesn't matter. I still beat him there. Hey, I still won.
Oh, you won in more ways than one. But, yeah.